Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is JCCTV. Today we are going to talk about something very important. And before we do that, I wish to thank you for your comments on the channel for the last petition, and also for sharing this video to your friends and for subscribing to this channel. This is the only channel that is out to educate you and also to bring to your knowledge how you can succeed in all areas of life. Today, we are going to look at a very important phenomenon. What are the qualities of a great champion? What makes champions great? What makes them succeed? What are those things that are found in them that distinguish them from others? We're going to look at the story of Anthony Joshua versus Andy Ruiz. Just a fight that took place twice in 2019. The first fight took place 1st June 2019, while the second fight took place in 7th December 2019. There is something very important which we have to notice in these two men reversal. Anthony Joshua has been a very fantastic person. He has won so many heavyweight titles: WBL, Super, IBF, WBO, IBO. But in one of the matches that was held in very important area, that is Madison Square Garden in New York City, that was 1st June, Mr. Joshua lost all these titles to a not formulous person, to a Mexican American, Andy Ruiz. Andy Ruiz Jr. was not known in boxing rank like Joshua, who has been boxing for many years and has won so many titles. But Joshua underestimated the technicality and the practice of boxing this young man, Andy. He thought Andy is just one of those people that he could easily run over in 1 or 2 rounds. But unfortunately, the reverse was the case. As the first match was in June 1st, Joshua lost all the belts, all the titles he has acquired over the years in just a 3rd round, when Andy Ruiz knocked him out. This brought a lot of thought to many people, that never underestimate anybody in the road of success. For you to be a champion, you must be always prepared to fight even a mosquito, no matter how tiny it may be. There are some qualities that make a great champion. And today I'm going to talk about 6 of the outstanding qualities. And if you want to be a champion and want to remain a champion, you must observe them. First of all, champions are very ambitious. They see themselves capable of being the best. They see themselves the capacity of being really good at what they do. When Joshua lost the fight against Andy Ruiz in the United States, he never felt inferior. In one of the interviews that he was asked, Joshua clearly states that his team will face a rematch against Andy Ruiz in this year 2019, which eventually they did, and the fight was held in Saudi Arabia, and Joshua won. If you want to be a great man, if you want to succeed in life, you want to become the best in what you're doing, you must be very, very ambitious. Never give up. No matter the circumstances you find yourself, you must be ready to fight. That is one of the attributes of great champions. Another outstanding qualities which I observe is that they are courageous. Champions are courageous. You will never see a great champion being a coward. Otherwise, they will have succeeded. The successful champions work to confront their fears that hold most people back. The two biggest enemies to our success are fears and doubt. If you want to succeed, you must be able to conquer your fears. Joshua never allowed the loss of the first match to prevent him from attacking Andy with full force. It was the courageous and the boldness he carried that enabled him to win the rematch in almost all the rounds. You see, he was not afraid. He was prepared. He was prepared to defeat Andy. He believed in himself. If you want to be successful, you must believe in yourself. You must be a fearless person. Yes, fear is common among humans, but this fear of death is certain. For you to succeed, you must be able and you must be ready to conquer fear, no matter how it is. Never allow your last defeat to cripple the future victory. If Joshua had focused on the last defeat, definitely he could have won the fight again. The great champions and successful people are very committed. Successful people in every field are completely committed. They believe in themselves. They believe in whatever they are doing without being told. For Joshua to win the rematch, he might have put extra effort. Practice beyond the first match to continue being the winning side. You must continue to be on the practicing side. If you want to win, you must always practice. You must always be committed. You must be serious. Success is not come in a platter of gold. Just like those who win must be able to pay the price. Without the price, there will be no prize. Another attribute which I would not like to withhold from you is that every successful person is well prepared for the task. Successful people are people who are very committed. They are prepared. They put every details in advance of what they are doing. They do things that average person is not willing to do. They make sacrifices the average person is not willing to make. So some people have more concern about pleasing result than they are about pleasing methods. Most of the time, people are focused on methods, activities, without focusing on the result. If you want to be successful in life, you must be ready to focus on the result. Because without the result, there will be no achievement. If you watch Joshua's first fight against Andy, he was more or less focused on activities, moving around, touching the crowd, hailing by the crowd, and celebrating the past victory, without prepared enough to focus on the fight in front of him. Unfortunately, in the third round, was punched down. What a disgrace. For you to be able to successfully achieve your success, you must always be ready to prepare. But if you watch Joshua in the second round, the second rematch, discover that Joshua was well prepared and he never wanted to take anything for granted. He prepared for Andy, and you can observe the fight. He beat Andy in almost all the rounds. He won almost all the rounds. I'm telling you, Joshua, prepare for the fight. For you to be successful in whatever you're doing, you must be well prepared. Success is for those who prepare for it. It does not come as a main goal. It does not come as a main dream. For you to be successful in life, you must be well prepared. Success is for those who prepare. Champions are continuous learners. If you want to be successful, you must be a continuous learner. Champions recognize that if they are not continually getting better, they are getting worse. You are either getting better or you are getting worse. In life, there is no room for statics. You are going forward or you are going backward. They read, they practice, watch others champions, learn their techniques, observe their best and mistakes. Champions never stop learning. If you want to be successful, you want to be a champion, you want to succeed in whatever you are doing, you must be ready to keep learning, keep practicing. Continual learning is what makes you a great champion. In your own field of endeavors, you must be ready to put all your best. You must be ready to spend time to learn, to study, to practice. And for you to do that, you become successful. Joshua's first fight was quite disgraceful, but he has to go back to the drawing board, check where the mistake came from, and then came back again and took back all the titles that was claimed by Andy Rush. So learn this lesson from Joshua's fight and continue to be the best. Another outstanding attribute of successful people is that they are very responsible. You cannot be a champion and become responsible. Champions never play when they are carrying tasks. They focus on mean business. They take every task seriously since they know they work for their money. And a little mistake can ruin their career. If you want to be a champion, want to be successful in life, you must be very responsible. You must do away with every task that does not give you the ability to grow. Stay away from friends that are not encouraging you to grow. And you must be able to put the best, be prepared, be responsible, and also you must be able to pay the best price to achieve your goals. I want you to thank you once again for this now. And I want you to subscribe to the channel for more information about what makes great champions. Thank you for your time.